Welcome to the Build America, Buy America Act training series. Before continuing, please watch the other videos within our training series on FEMA's Buy America website to ensure you have the essential background knowledge. As the other training videos explained, the Build America, Buy America Act mandates that federal agencies, including FEMA, must ensure that all of the iron, steel, manufactured products, and construction materials incorporated into the project funded by federal financial assistance are made in the U.S. But remember, FEMA's disaster financial assistance grants are exempt from these requirements. The Build America, Buy America Act applies to articles, materials, and supplies that are consumed in, incorporated into, or affixed to an infrastructure project. It does not apply to Section 70917C materials, tools, equipment, and supplies that are brought to the construction site and removed at or before the completion of the project, or building equipment and furnishings, such as movable chairs, desks, or portable equipment. The classification of a product is determined based on its status at the time it is brought to the project site for incorporation into the project. This video will discuss the categories of products subject to the Build America, Buy America Act, as well as one category that is exempt by law by answering these 5 questions. What is considered an iron or steel product under the Build America, Buy America Act? What is considered a construction material under the Build America, Buy America Act? What is considered a manufactured product under the Build America, Buy America Act? What are Section 70917C materials? Where can you find more information about the Build America, Buy America Act? Now, let's discuss the first question. What is considered an iron or steel product under the Build America, Buy America Act? Iron or steel products are articles, materials, or supplies that consist wholly or predominantly of iron or steel, or a combination of both. A product is considered iron or steel if the cost of the iron and steel content exceeds 50% of the total cost of all of its components. For an iron and steel product to be compliant with the Build America, Buy America Act, all the iron and steel used in the product must have been made in the U.S., and the final product must have been manufactured in the U.S., from the initial melting stage through the application of coatings. A few examples of iron and steel products include lampposts, wire rods, manhole covers, pipes, and structural steel, such as rebar. Now, let's move on to the next question. What is considered a construction material under the Build America, Buy America Act? Construction materials are articles, materials, or supplies that consist of one or more of the following items: non-ferrous metals, plastic and polymer-based products, glass, fiber optic cable, optical fiber, lumber, engineered wood, and drywall. Minor additions of articles, materials, supplies, or binding agents do not change the categorization of the product as a construction material. Now, let's move on to the third question. What is considered a manufactured product under the Build America, Buy America Act? Manufactured products are articles, materials, or supplies that have been processed into a specific form and shape, or combined with other articles, materials, or supplies to create a product with different properties than the individual articles, materials, or supplies. If a product is not primarily iron or steel, or not listed as a construction material, it is likely a manufactured product. Examples of manufactured products include, but are not limited to, pumps, motors, transformers, generators, and instrumentation or control systems. All manufactured products purchased with FEMA financial assistance must be produced in the U.S. This means that the cost of the components of the manufactured product that are mined, produced, or manufactured in the U.S. must be greater than 55% of the total cost of all components that make up the product. An example is a manufacturing facility in Missouri that produces generators. The materials the facility uses account for 35% of the generator's cost. Another 30% of the cost is incurred at a facility in Oregon, and the remaining cost of the components is sourced from a facility outside the U.S. Once complete, the generator is considered a Build America, Buy America Act compliant product because, in this specific case, the product was manufactured in the U.S. and over 55% of the cost of the components were produced in the U.S. Next, we will discuss the fourth question. What are Section 70917C materials? Section 70917C materials, named after the corresponding section of the Build America, Buy America Act, refer to a list of items which are specifically exempt by law from the domestic preference requirements. These include cement and cementitious materials, aggregates such as stone, sand, or gravel, and aggregate binding agents or additives. Now, let's discuss the last question. Where can I find more information on the Build America, Buy America Act? You can find information on FEMA's implementation of the Build America, Buy America Act on our website, located under the Buy America Preference tab on FEMA.gov. This website includes a list of all FEMA grant programs subject to and not subject to the Build America, Buy America Act. You can also find more program definitions, flyers, and a helpful decision roadmap. The Code of Federal Regulations website provides more information on the Build America, Buy America Act policy under 2 CFR Part 184. Thank you for watching this video on the Build America, Buy America Act categories of products. To continue learning, be sure to check out the other videos in this training series. For more information, please visit FEMA's Buy America website on FEMA.gov or contact us at FEMA-grants-BuyAmerica@FEMA.dhs.gov.